Katsuki, mag-review. Please, tanggalin mo yung ano mo. Okay. Reading.
Read!
Ha?
Read!
Reading. Reading.
Anong I? Anong ing? Wala.
Reading.
Oh.
Reading phrases. Sentences and poems consisting of long A, I, O, U, and U words.
A, I, E,
Read.
what?
Dali na. Read this word.
Anong red na naman? Read nga yan! Ayan o! Bisaya talaga to.
Bastos.
Sanin tabli.
Read.
Sanin tabli.
Read these words like all of
Sanin tabli.